Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can create a to-do list for your family account in the Cozi application. So let us dive into this. Head over to your Cozi family account, click into lists on the left hand side and choose to do it in the top right corner. Now guys, if you click into these three dots below, you may, for example, rename list, delete lists from the list to the left. For example, if you have a to-do list, you can create a new one by clicking into plus add in the top left, give your to-do list a title like, let's say with weekend activities, something like that. Click into save. And now you can customize your to-do list. You may change their position, for example, by using that handle. And here add items to the to-do list or tasks like, I don't know, task 1 for the sake of this tutorial. Press enter. Then add task number 2, press enter again. And that way create a list of tasks for your to-do list. You may remove the given task from the list here by clicking into that trash icon. You can also change their position here or mark them as complete there. And that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got somebody from it, and we'll catch you later.